Yo, this is Logic on steroids. Please subscribe to this channel. And right now, what I got for you is something very disturbing. This is crazy. This dude is bold, and he is a sick person. You know what I mean? Yo, I'm gonna just ask y'all, go ahead, if you don't like to hear the commentary, you don't like the digital graphics I put on these things, go ahead, hit the top right, that card right here, bam. You know what I'm saying? And watch it over there, you know what I mean? Okay, let's get right into this video right now.
Are you ready?
No. He got like 2 grills in his mouth. He got all black and stuff.
What's up, bro? What's up? I got confused. I know the door. Okay. When you're done going pee, come talk to me.
Yeah. Bring your ass out.
Step out here.
Got the man pissing.
Nah, you knew what the f you was doing. That's nasty. He's looking at me through the stall while I'm trying to pee.
Yo, that is sick. Yo, he went in the girl's restroom and looked at her through the stall while she was, whoa.
Let's put up the crazy club.
And then he's licking his lips like I literally looked through the f***ing door. He's licking his f***ing lips
Will you
at
wait
me.
over here for a
Look at
second?
him now. Look how you looking at her now.
Let's go over here. You got any weapons on you? No? Are you holding your pants up? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
It's not
Yo.
funny.
This dude laughing at her.
Hey, I'll grab.
It's not funny.
Yo. This is crazy.
Stop.
Be wrong,
Stop.
right?
Look at him.
Hey,
That's nasty.
just
He
relax.
violated my
I understand.
privacy.
I'll be with you in a moment. Just please hang out for a second. Let's go.
Shut the fuck
All right,
up.
we're going to
I'm
class.
really
Drop your
like
stuff.
that. I'm not from here.
Drop your stuff.
I'm really like that.
Drop your stuff.
We have surveillance footage of this exact incident that shows the truth behind
Gotta
what
see
really
this.
happened.
The fuck?
Okay, we'll come back for your stuff, all right?
Guess they're gonna show it later.
No, not yet.
I'm going.
We're going over here to talk for a sec. You got ID on you or anything, boss? Okay. Are you living on the streets right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Have I talked to you before? Huh?
Yo, I'm just thinking about how he was just looking at her, staring at her, like fantasizing in his head as she's complaining to the police in his face. Like the police ain't there. And then he's laughing at her in front of police. Like the police ain't there. Yo, this dude is sick. And they gon', man, if it weren't for them putting him in a cell, when you get arrested, they put you in a cell similar to the crimes. I mean, to the people who committed the same crimes you did. Or, within that category. They don't put you in there with the robbers and murderers, though. You know what I'm saying?
I swear I have. I recognize the tattoo.
I'm going to jail.
You think you're going to jail?
What do we got?
Okay, let me read your rights real quick while you're in handcuffs, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. Do you understand the rights I've explained to you today? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so you told me you were confused about which bathroom was which.
Yes.
Nigga, that's a lie.
Then why, when she came out, you were licking her lips and making statements about it?
No,
Exactly.
I didn't know when it came out. When I went back to see if it was girls or boys, I was like, I saw that. I did accusation.
So you
Now I
looked,
left.
you looked through the stall door to see a girl was in there?
Yeah, see the girls there.
Okay, and that's all?
That's it, sir.
And then you went into the men's bathroom, and that's when you were taking a leak?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I just walked in, saw the background. I didn't see nothing.
You just walked into the female bathroom?
Yes.
That's it? There was no, like,
No.
intent? I mean, I'm pretty sure
Of course, he ain't gonna tell on himself,
you
man.
can see the
Pull up that video.
female sign on the outside of the women's bathroom, right?
Yeah, I was paying attention.
Hey, Marcellus.
Yeah.
You remember me from like Sunday?
Yes.
Yeah, remember what we talked about?
No, he said forever, so I can get
You don't remember me handing you a trespass form
I said forever.
and trespassing you from this property?
Forever, so I didn't get what you was talking about.
You what?
He said forever, so I didn't get what you was talking about.
I told you you couldn't come back here ever again, correct? And why are you in the building?
Because I didn't care what you was talking about. He said forever.
Because he didn't hear or he didn't care.
I think it's a year or two.
You thought it was a year or two?
It's supposed to be a year and forever.
You just said I told you it was forever.
Yeah, you're not
Even
here.
if it's for a year and it was last Thursday, then
He
that's
said
not a
forever.
year.
He said ever, though. He said ever. I don't know what ever is.
Yeah, even if it was a year, it was last Thursday, dummy.
So I didn't get on.
Okay.
I was still coming.
Is there a victim in there?
Well, she's in there. She had to go to the bathroom
Okay.
because she got freaked out and
You want me to go talk with her real quick?
Yeah, she's a black female. She's got gray shirt, gray leggings on.
Okay.
I told her to wait by the customer service.
My girls were in there when he did that.
Okay, perfect. Okay, you're being audio recorded. Can you guys hop out and talk to me? One second. Can we get him in a car? Yeah, the victim's here.
Come over here.
Just give us a second.
They'll be dumb not to press charges.
Okay.
You got 2 pairs of pants on?
Let's walk up against the carpet.
You said last Tuesday.
I think it was Sunday.
And I know your Gatorade and chips are in there. I'll go grab them, okay? Where'd you get all this stuff?
Store.
The store?
Steal it.
No, I bought it.
Which store?
Yeah, they know.
That's our victim.
You stole that shit.
Which store, Marcellus? Which store did you buy it from?
I got with DHS.
ESHS?
Ma'am, I'm gonna come talk to you here in a second, okay? We're just gonna get him in the car and then I'll come chat with you, okay? Just so you know you're being audio video recorded.
What's with the red bandana? Huh? You what?
Let's separate the victims once we're done and talk to them separately.
Put them back real quick.
Marcellus, take a seat.
You want me to have them do these? I already interviewed them.
Yo, look at his eyes, man.
I can chat with the black female if you want to talk with the other, I don't know their ages, if they're over 15 or what. Ma'am, would you come over here and chat with me?
Okay.
Hi.
Whoa.
And she was not even watching her surroundings, I bet you. Like, how does this even happen? How does somebody come in the bathroom, follow you in there, and you don't know somebody behind you walking in there with you?
I'm not trying.
No, she wasn't in there involved or witness. She just came and asked we're okay. But I said, no, my girls are shooken up. She was in there with them. She's 17
Yeah.
and 16 and a half.
I just want this to be separate away from them, and I don't want you guys to be hearing each other's conversations. So like I said, you're being audio and video recorded. Explain to me what happened in the
I
bathroom.
don't it was just quick. Like when I walked in,
I mean, she looked good. She thick. Or chunky, what you want to call it, but she looked good. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn. Like, dude, there's a million women out here you can just look at. He had to go over there and push it to the extreme.
straight to the restroom. I had no clue he was even following behind me, and I got in the stall, and I was about ready to pull down my pants, and I didn't even notice like he was peeking through like the little slit, and then I thought it was just someone just waiting on their turn, and then I seen eyes, and I seen him licking his lips. So then I opened the bathroom, the door, and I said, "What are you doing?" And he just kept licking his lips like he just wasn't saying anything. And then that's when I just walked out with him, and then I just
He followed you out? Okay.
and then I just told like the first person that I saw, and I was like, he walked in the bathroom with me, and I think one lady was like, "Yeah, I saw him go in the girl's bathroom." I'm like,
Okay. And just to be clear, this is the person we have detained in the back
yes,
of the police
him.
car.
Yeah, he
Okay.
got the 2 things in his teeth. Yeah.
Okay.
And it freaked her out, and that's why she started screaming. And I'm like, what the fuck?
They were in the bathroom?
Yes.
You weren't in there?
No,
Okay.
I was in checkout, but
Okay.
these are my minor daughters.
Yeah. Let me get my notes real quick, okay?
And so when he was looking through the gap in the door in the bathroom stall, did you have the door locked?
Yeah, the door was locked.
Okay. And I know you were talking about getting ready to pull your pants down. At any point, were you exposed, and did he see you
Not all
exposed?
the way. Not
Okay.
all. Not all the way. Like I was like halfway, and then I realized I'm like,
Do you
wait,
think you
those
could-
are eyes.
So you were partially exposed below the waist?
Yeah, but not like all the way, like the
Okay.
whole thing.
Okay. Do you think his intent of watching you through the bathroom was for sexual gratification?
Oh, of course,
Yeah.
of course. He was licking his lips. He was sucking the bottom of his lip. He was. And he just kept doing it.
He did that after I detained him to her.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
How long is this gonna take? Because I want to go home.
Well, we should be done here in a second, okay?
Okay. Basically, he came in there, looked through the stalls, and then left.
I heard her like, what the hell are you doing looking at us, you f***ing pervert? And she said that he was licking his lips and everything. And another lady, a worker in there goes, oh, he's in and out of here all the time.
We know who
Yeah.
he is. dealt with him.
I know she's really upset.
One more second. I'll be right back.
Did he touch you in any way?
Hell nah.
Okay. Did he?
He would never do that.
Did he say anything to you?
He only said something when this officer was arresting him, and then he was like, "Yeah, and that's why you're a hoe" or something like that. And I don't know what all that he was saying. But is he recording too?
He is.
Yeah, then you'll know what he said.
Okay. And I know you're super upset, and that's totally understandable. Sorry, mosquito eater. Don't worry about that guy. They're the friendly ones. Are you interested in like some resources for counseling, that sort of thing?
No.
Okay.
They just want to go home.
I hear you. Again, I'm very sorry that happened. And he is going to go to jail.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you think I should know about what happened today?
No.
Now this is a true victim. She's not pretending, none of that. This is what a victim. This is how a victim behave. Like she's an actual victim. She's not defensive about anything.
That's it.
Okay. How long when he came into the bathroom and then you exited did he?
She complies. She's speaking to the cop regularly. She's not mad at nobody except for the asshole who violated her. She's not mad at the cop.
Get arrested by the dad.
It was almost instantly.
Okay.
Like when I asked, the first cashier that I seen, I said, "Hey, he's looking at me through the stall," and then the guy I guess he was looking around for security, and then I was like, "Can you like get someone?" And then that's when he tried to run. He ran into the men's bathroom, and then that's when that officer he was quick as hell.
Good. Okay. I don't have any other questions for you, so you're free to go. I'm really sorry that happened to you. Okay. He's gonna go to jail.
Okay.
You have a better day.
Thank you.
Do you want a case number or anything? A prosecutor's office is probably going to call you regarding a charging decision. You might receive something in the mail as well. So let me go get that case number for you real quick, okay?
They said they were both in the stalls, and he came in and looked through there, then heard her scream and say, "Get the out of here." He was doing his lip licking thing.
You can have them do a handwritten statement, but I would interview them.
Okay.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Trespass?
Yep. Okay, there's the case number, okay? And that's my card if you have any questions, okay?
Okay, thank
All right,
you. Have
be
a
safe.
good one.
Ma'am, are you with them?
Those are my daughters, yeah.
Okay.
They was in the bathroom too.
Yeah.
Sure, and we're going to interview them. I prefer witnesses not talk to each other.
No, that's
Okay,
fine.
so
and stuff, but I just want to get her contact because she was really upset. And
I understand that. Can you let the police handle it, and we'll
Yeah,
deal
that's
with
fine.
contacting her. I don't want witnesses talking together, right, for a
yeah,
potential
yeah.
criminal case. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
So thank you.
I kind of have a uncomfortable, odd question. When he came in and looked through the stall, were you guys like exposed at all? Both of you? Do you want me to have him do these?
What's that?
I already interviewed them, but
I wouldn't bother if you have it on tape.
okay. He's a detective sergeant. He does all these interviews. I'm just gonna give you the case number with my name and badge number on it for now. Don't be surprised if you guys get mail or a call from a prosecutor about this because he's already been trespassed from here. So since he committed a crime, it's felony. So we're gonna take him to jail, and then I'm assuming a detective or a prosecutor might reach out to you guys. Did you lick his lips at all? Because the other girl's saying. Cool. That's all I have for now.
Hello.
Detective Crawford.
Oh, this
Just so
video.
you know, I have my camera on. You're being audio and video recorded again. Hey, quick question for you. I know you. I saw you filming outside here. It sounds like you filmed some things inside as well. Are you able to send us that video if I send you a link?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and I do want to warn you. I did threaten that dude. I threatened to slap him, but I didn't. So I'm just letting you know.
That is understandable. So I do not care.
Because I'm like, I've never in my life had that happen to me. So I really came to Walmart to get some dinner, and now I'm not even hungry. Like I just want to go lay down.
I hear you. Again, I'm very sorry that happened to you.
Not me. If I was a chick that happened to me, I'm still gonna eat goddamn meat. When I'm hungry, I'm hungry. I gotta eat something.
We'll do everything we can. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay,
Right.
when I
Only thing they stop me from eating is a flu or some stuff.
get home, I'll try to send that to you.
Okay, I'll send it to you here shortly. Thank you.
Okay, all right, bye.
Surveillance footage shows the victim entering Walmart. Shortly
Uh-oh.
after, just a few seconds later, the suspect also walks in and looks around for the victim. He spots her and begins following her. Another surveillance camera captures the victim walking towards the bathrooms, with the suspect following behind. behind, far enough to not be suspicious, but close enough to keep her in his sights. The victim then enters the women's bathroom and, after approximately 5 seconds, the suspect follows her into the bathroom.
Caught on 4K, clear as day.
Shortly after, the suspect exits, followed by the victim, who can be seen pointing to the suspect as he quickly enters the men's bathroom, telling Walmart management about his peeping into the bathroom stalls. We commend all the victims who were brave enough to speak up and defend themselves. This suspect was charged with burglary for entering a premises he was previously trespassed from, and 3 counts of voyeurism. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Yeah, it's crazy. Dude is sick, man. Yo, got a lot of incels out here for real, man. Men who are not, I'm talking about involuntary celibacy. A lot of men who are not planning on being with a chick because they think it's impossible that it's ever going to happen. Man, you could pay for it. They got AI videos now. You can probably go online, meet a chick. I don't know. Don't go trying to violate somebody just to get some gratitude or satisfaction. That's weird. I don't condone that shit at all. And he should get his ass whooped in jail. Anyway, yo, yeah, go ahead. Show this channel right here some love. They're the ones provided the video. Thanks to them. You know what I'm saying? They have more videos you can go watch over there. Subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video. Yo, I'm hitting you with bangers all day. You know what I mean? Hey, this tech works. So please subscribe to this channel. And let's get this to 10,000 before next year. Love y'all. Peace.